Hello, moneymakers. We're already 3 months into 2025, and I know many of you are still stuck wondering, what's the right niche to start my YouTube channel? Well, after hours of deep research and way too much coffee, I've found a niche that's absolutely blowing up this year, and it might just be your golden ticket. Before I reveal it, let me show you some proof. Check out this channel. Just 24 videos and already over 100,000 subscribers. According to Social Blade, they're pulling in more than $6,000 per month. And that's just ad revenue. Add in brand deals and affiliate marketing? Yeah, it gets even crazier. The channel is called SleepWise, and they create calming, thoughtful videos people love to watch before bed. And since viewers often fall asleep while watching, their average view duration is through the roof. By the end of this video, you will be expert to create videos in this niche, as I will reveal everything from topic research, script writing, and editing as well. So grab some soft drinks and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with finding topics. If we look at this channel, they choose deep and thought-provoking subjects like science, physics, philosophy, and darker styles of storytelling. They mix these with a calm and relaxing way of speaking. It's the kind of content that makes you think deeply and relax at the same time. Clearly, viewers love it, and it's a smart strategy, right? Who wouldn't like spending time wondering about such mind-bending ideas? So, we'll also use this proven strategy to build a successful YouTube channel. Alright, so to create similar videos, first go to the channel page, select all the information like this, and copy it. Then, open ChatGPT and write, "Analyze this information," and paste it there. Now you might be thinking, why go through all this? Just give one prompt and let ChatGPT generate titles. But no, if you only give a prompt, ChatGPT won't create videos in the exact same style. And by giving all this information, ChatGPT will understand what kind of channel it is, what niche it belongs to, what kind of videos it makes, and how long those videos are. So, ChatGPT will analyze everything and give you a very accurate response. That's why doing this step is very important. Alright, now that we've given all the information to ChatGPT, let's ask it to generate some titles. For that, I've prepared a perfect prompt, which you can find by going to the description below and joining my Telegram channel. Alright, once you're there, open the Google Doc and copy the first prompt from it. Now just enter how many topics you want by changing the number here. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. And there you go. ChatGPT will generate as many topics as you asked for, and they'll be just like the ones we saw on the reference channel. Now pick the one you like the most, or you can also modify these titles if you want. Alright, so you can get video topic ideas with the help of ChatGPT. Now let's move on to the most important step. Step 2. Writing scripts. Now let's take a closer look at this channel. All the videos on this channel are longer than 2 hours, and this is the reason why these videos go viral in a short time. One of these videos got more than 1 million views, and that video is more than 3 hours long. So guys, just think, how many ads play in such a long video, and how much money that video must have earned? This is insane, right? So you also have to make longer videos, not short ones, because people listen to these videos while sleeping, and if they fall asleep while your video is still playing, just imagine the average view duration and retention of your video. Wait. If you found all this effort helpful, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now the question is, how can we make such a long script? It's very time-consuming and a headache, right? Don't worry, we don't have to do this manually. We will use ChatGPT for this. Now, you probably already know that ChatGPT can't write such a long script all at once. If you try to get the whole script with just one prompt, it'll give you a short and random script. That's why your AI Maskman has found the perfect prompt and a perfect trick. You don't have to generate the full script at once. First, you need to choose your topic. Then, ask ChatGPT to generate just the points. I mean the chapters. Only the chapters. And then write the script for each chapter one by one. This way, your script will become long, and you'll be able to add as much detail as you want. How to do it? Let me show you. Go back to my Google Doc, and in the second prompt, add your topic and give it to ChatGPT. In that prompt, I've already shown how to create the points, with examples, so ChatGPT will clearly understand what you want. Just copy it and give it to ChatGPT. And boom, ChatGPT will create chapters for your topic. If you want to add more chapters, just tell ChatGPT, add more points or chapters. Once you have the chapters, then you need to give a command to ChatGPT. Now give me the script for point 1. And ChatGPT will give you the script for chapter 1. Now you can modify it however you like. Make it longer, shorter, or ask ChatGPT to make changes. Then copy it and save it in a Google Doc. Now it's time to generate the script for the next chapter. For that, you have to give ChatGPT this command. Now give me the script for point 2, continuing from where point 1 ended in my video. And ChatGPT will also give you the script for the second point. In this way, you have to continue and generate scripts for all the chapters and keep saving them in a Google Doc. And to create a perfect script, you need to watch videos from similar types of channels every day. This will help you understand their scriptwriting style, what kind of points they include, and how they start their videos. YouTube automation doesn't mean blindly using whatever is generated. It means you use the tool to help you, but improving the script and giving proper instructions is your job. The more videos you watch, the better you'll understand. However, if you want to learn the perfect YouTube automation process, join my school community, where I'll take 2 live calls every week. You'll also get access to many free courses that will help you build a successful YouTube automation channel. The link is in the description below. So, that's how you have to keep building your video scripts. Just keep adding as many chapters as you want. I know it's time-consuming, but guys, it's totally worth it. Even if you upload just 2 videos a week, you have to put real effort into video creation in this niche. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Generating voiceover. This is also the second most important part of this video. Since the audience watches these videos during sleep time or while relaxing, it's very important to choose a calm and soothing voice. And the most important thing is, it shouldn't sound robotic. So if your own voice fits this style, you can record the voiceover yourself. Otherwise, you can use AI voices that sound natural. For my video, I'll use DubDub AI. Let's open DubDub and sign into our account. Now choose AI voiceover from the dashboard, then copy your script and paste it here. You can add up to 30,000 characters at once. After that, you'll need to repeat the process. Alright, now to select the voice, click here. Try different voices and choose the one that fits your niche. First, let's choose language, gender, and age. You can try any voice as per your choice. Let's try some voices.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment.
Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
I'll choose the Tommy Murphy voice from the motivational section. You can try any voice as per your choice. Now generate the voice and listen carefully. If you feel it's going too fast, you can slow down the voiceover script. Other than that, you can also add pauses after a few sentences, wherever you feel it's needed. Apart from that, there are many other features here that you can use to create a natural-sounding voiceover file. That's amazing, right? So that's how you generate your voiceover using DubDub AI. Alright, so our voiceover work is also done. Now let's move on to the next step, editing. To edit the video, I will use Canva. If you look at the reference video, you'll notice it uses a unique style of images and videos. Now let me show you how you can create something similar. First, open Canva and choose the YouTube video icon from the dashboard. Then, search for black background in the Elements section. Next, go to the Videos section. Here you'll find a bunch of options. Or you can also search for something like black background with white particles. I'll go with this one. Now go to Text and select a text box. Then write your channel name. Choose the fonts and colors you like. Also add animation to it. I will choose Clarify from the available options, and it will look like this. Now add another page and use the same background video. After that, upload the voiceover. Then copy the first chapter point. Now go back to Canva and search for a grid image. You'll find many options. Choose one and add it here. Next, search for an icon related to your topic in the Elements section. Once you find it, change the color to white and add it here. Then add a text box. And add the first chapter name. Also, add your channel name in the top right corner. You can also add AI images, so you don't have to manually edit or search for icons. Again, go to my Google Doc, copy the prompt, add your chapter name, and ChatGPT will give you 4 image prompts based on your first point. Then copy those prompts and generate images using Piclumen AI. You can generate images for free with this tool. In this way, generate images for all your chapters one by one. Then upload all the images to Canva. I know that creating multiple videos every week can be incredibly challenging and time-consuming. Finding topics, writing scripts, editing, and managing your channel might feel overwhelming at times. That's why, for the first time ever, I'm introducing our exclusive Done For You program. My dedicated team and I will handle the entire video creation process for you, from brainstorming unique content ideas to scripting, editing, and even optimizing your videos for maximum reach. So if you have the budget to outsource, book a free consultation call with me to discuss how our Done For You program can transform your channel. Click the link in the description below. Then add image in this page instead of related icon. And duplicate the image. Now remove the first image and add another image that matches your script. Continue this process until your complete video is ready. You can use any other editing tool as well to make your video. But I suggest using Canva, because you'll find unlimited icons that relate to your script easily, so it will make the editing process much smoother. Alright, now add transitions. Choose Dissolve or Match to Media, and decrease the duration of the transition. Apply it between all pages. Then go to the YouTube audio library, choose Smooth and Calm background music, and download it. Or you can also use any other websites that provide free copyright-free music. Alright, upload the music into Canva. Add it to the timeline and then decrease the volume to around 10 or 12. It depends on the music you're using. And that's it. Your video is ready. Click on Share and download it to your computer. Now at last, the only thing left in this video creation process is the thumbnail. Alright, so now let's create the thumbnail. First, take a screenshot of the reference channel's thumbnail and give it to ChatGPT. Then enter this prompt. Look at this thumbnail. I'd like to create a similar style for my videos. Based on my script, what kind of visual elements can I include in my thumbnail to match this aesthetic? ChatGPT will then give you text suggestions and icon ideas based on your video topic. Now go back to Canva, and from the dashboard select the YouTube thumbnail option. Then you need to add a black background. Then search for the icons ChatGPT suggested by going to the Elements section in Canva, and change their color to white. Keep adding those icons one by one. Now take the text suggestions ChatGPT gave. Copy and paste them here too. Make sure to keep the fonts bold and use contrast colors like red, green, white, or similar. And that's it. Once you've added all the icons and text, download the thumbnail. So this is your complete video creation process, from finding titles to creating the thumbnail. Guys, I worked really hard for you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to take one-on-one mentorship from me, join my school community. The link is given in the description. Now let's have a look to our demo video.
The ship is you, and you're always sinking. If every part of you changes, are you still you? Imagine a ship, battered by storms, slowly losing its planks. One by one, they're replaced, until not a single original piece remains. This is the ship of Theseus. But it isn't just a ship. It's you. Your body regenerates cells, your thoughts shift. Memories blur, beliefs bend. Every year, a new version of you emerges, quietly replacing the one before. But here's the haunting part. If you are no longer the person you once were, who exactly are you now? And worse, who were you ever? Plato wrestled with this. So did Locke. But perhaps the most piercing reflection comes from Derek Parfit, who wrote,